Hi friends, see now we install this VDP screen over here. This thing how it works means outdoor we need to be fixed outside. When somebody rings a bell, you will get a video call over here. You will get the screen, you can able to communicate to them. It's a two-way communication system. It's the inbuilt mic is there, so you can able to answer the call, and then if you want, we can connect to the gate. There's a lock system also there. From here also you can unlock the gate also. That function is also available. And on another way, alternate way, you can able to unlock through phone also. Now we will see how this VDP system will work. One of my colleagues is outside. He will ring the bell. Now we will see how to answer the call. So now the call is coming. Here is a green color button which is for answering the call. Red color button is for disconnecting the call. Now I am answering the call.
Hi.
Hi Raja, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದು Yendra Techno ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ VDP ಇದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ರಾಜಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.